Alright, number 11. Which of the following goods best fits the characteristics of a private good? It is excludable, only I get to use it, and once I have it, you can't. So the answer kind of jumps out as ice cream cone, and the idea is that once, only I get to use this particular ice cream cone, and once I have it, you cannot have it. A professor giving a lecture in a large classroom, and if you're sitting next to another person, this is considered a artificially scarce good, right? Because you can exclude people from coming to the large classroom, but the fact that someone's sitting next to me doesn't really take away my ability to do it. So that's an artificially scarce good. A public good is like fire protection or national defense. I guess disease prevention could fall under there as well, just because there's a whole concept right there that these are goods that are neither non-rival nor non-excludable.